Hi guys, welcome to Ask MBA. My name is Neha and today I've come up with a very important notification that is Xat exam registrations have been started and it is live on the official website, and all the information regarding the same has been given on our website askmba.in. So you guys can directly go and visit the website and just scroll it up down. In the latest updates, you'll get the direct link to fill the registrations. Xat registrations, exam date, and all the details have been mentioned out over here. If you're tapping on the link, you'll directly route to the official website of Xat, and then here you will be getting the announcement for the same, the exam date, and how you need to fill the registration. All the details have been mentioned. Your name, your number, your details, your signature, photograph, all the documents which are required are being mentioned on the website. So make sure you guys are filling the form at the earliest and don't miss for the last moment head ups here whether you should be giving the exam, whether you should be not. If you are someone who wants to get into the top colleges in India and into XLRI, which is known for HR and human resource management, so make sure you're filling the form before 5th of December. Also, the dates have been mentioned. 4th of January is the exam from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. All the details are mentioned over here. Now for the registration process, first you need to fill the details which is clearly given out over here. Candidates are advised to fill the full details, name of the candidate, father's name, mother's name, the certificates, mark sheets, everything need to be mentioned. Now guys, the overall payment or the fees for the Xat examination is 2,220 rupees. If candidates are interested in XLRI programs, need to pay additional fee of rupees 200. Indian candidates can apply through GMAT, GRE for PGDM and GM courses, double masters, whereas for NRI foreign can apply through GMAT examinations as well. Fee for the Indian candidates are applying through PGDM for GM program to GRE is 2,500, and fee for NRI candidates and other applying for other programs is rupees 5,000. All the instructions for the same have been given. Guys, all you need to do is visit zatonline.in directly from the Ask MBA website, so you guys don't goof up or go or land up into any different kinds of websites and then you just fill the forms and you don't get any update. Okay, so guys, make sure you're filling the forms. If you have any doubts or any regarding Xat examination, how you guys should be preparing it, or if you need online guidance, you can get in touch with the numbers which are given up below in the description box below. And also we are located in Thane. If you are nearby in Mumbai and have to visit and to talk to us, you can come and visit at the Ask MBA Center, which is located just near Thane Station West. I hope this video made sense to you guys, and if you have any doubts regarding registration, make sure you get in touch with us. Thank you, and like the video and also subscribe to our channel for such latest updates. Thank you.